Okay guys, now we are going to do question type yes, no, not given. Okay, yeah, it's another siapa. What's the difference between true, false, not given and yes, no, not given? Very simple. In true, false, not given, we have factual information. The facts or the figures which are given in the passage, we just match the statements with those facts and figures. In yes, no, not given, we have to match the statements with writer's views or claims. What is writer's opinion? What is the view of writer on a certain thing? What is writer's claim? Right? So you got to match the statements with that. By the way, question type is same. A common mistake that students do, instead of true, false, they write yes, no, or instead of yes, no, they write true, false. It's very, very common. You have to be careful. You can write your answer. If it is yes, you can write capital Y, or you can write yes. If it is no, you can write capital N. If it is not given, you can write capital NG. Okay, same is for true, false, not given. But never write the answer is yes and you write true. The answer is no and you write false, then you will not get marks for that, right? Now let's take a start. Again, questions and passage, they are in the same order. So, yeah, it's gone. Question number 21. Alien civilizations may be able to help the human race to overcome serious problems. Now look here. You will look for the word alien civilizations. Or even they can replace civilization with something else, right? Alien civilizations may be able to help the human race to overcome serious problems. If they may help to overcome serious problems, then it is true, nahi, yes, okay? Because we are doing yes, no, not given. If they cannot, then no, and if they don't mention, then not given. So please do that. Go to paragraph A and focus last 3-4 lines. Paragraph A, last 3-4 lines. Read it from it is even possible that. Got it? It is even possible that the older civilizations means alien civilizations, may pass on the benefits of their experience in dealing with threats to survival such as nuclear war. Now these are serious problems. Nuclear war, global pollution and other threats that we haven't yet discovered. So the answer is yes. No. It is? Yes. No sir, it's not given. Yes, it is not given. कितने मासूम बच्चे हैं मेरी क्लास में? The answer is yes. I'll tell you why. Don't worry, I'm here. Read the question, please. Read the question loudly. Alien civilizations may be able to help. Just a second. Yeah, please carry on. Alien civilizations may be able to help the human race to overcome serious problems. Okay, now for alien civilizations, they are using the word older civilizations. May be able to help, for that they are using may pass on the benefits of their experience. And then for more serious problems, they have written nuclear war, global pollution and other threats. What did you say?
Sir, I was saying previous lines are also helpful. Like from this line, just any other civilization that we hear from is likely to be forwarder, and the next line is and give us some cause for optimism.
Okay, that's fine. But you know, more serious problems, and that is only mentioned here. Okay. So your answer is also yes? Yes. Very good. That's right. Okay, let's move on. Question number 22, please. SETI scientists, no, yeah, SETI scientists are trying to find a life form that resembles human in many ways. Now look here, SETI scientists, clue word, and they are trying to find, searching for life form that resembles human, that is like us, that resembles us. Okay, so please go. Now you can find the word SETI scientists. Paragraph B, page 22, paragraph B, SETI scientists. Focus second last sentence. Second last sentence, paragraph B. That we are looking for a life form that is pretty well like us. So the answer is? Yes. Come on. Yes, very good. All right, I want you to be clever. Okay, let's do one more question. Question number 23, please. The Americans and Australians, clue word is Americans, Australians, have cooperated on joint research projects. Now look here, maybe in the passage first they talk about Americans, then they talk about Australians, but you need to see after Americans and Australians, if they talk about their collaboration, that Americans and Australians have cooperated on joint research project. If they cooperated, yes. If they haven't cooperated, no. And if there is no mention, they mention both separately but no mention of cooperation together, then it is not given. Look for the word Americans and Australians. Yes, it's there in paragraph D for doctor. Exactly. You will find it in the middle. So have they mentioned anywhere that they cooperated? No. So the answer is? Well done, very, very good.